Hi everyone, this is Team Error 404 and we have built Solrepute, which is an online reputation system. So these are the topics that I'll speak in the presentation. Starting with the pain points, we saw that online reputation system is a buzzing need in Web3. From DAOs to marketplaces, many dApps need the reputation of a member. Handling off-chain data becomes a cumbersome task for them. Bounty marketplaces also want to give scores and make profile for the users, and same thing is integrating the off-chain data is difficult for them. There's another example like DAOs, where we have many DAOs which only want some features to be shown to people with certain reputation, and managing off-chain data for getting reputation destroys the sole concept of decentralization. Working with on-chain data is much better for them. So what is Solrepute? So it's a reputation system where we can create on-chain profile in a single click. Users can log into the app using their GitHub ID and wallet and connect their wallet address. And then in a single click, they can put their profile into the Solana blockchain and then share their on-chain profile with friends and other DAOs and increase their visibility. We also have like and dislike feature where we can give scores to profile, and this on-chain data can be used by various DAOs for their integration, making Solrepute interoperable. This is the architecture of our project, starting with the integration of GitHub and connecting your Phantom wallet. Then you are on clicking submit, you are taken to your profile where we fetch the data and show it in a profile format, and then on clicking store on chain button, your data is directly stored on Solana blockchain, and then you can share your profile among friends and other DAOs as a proof of on-chain profile. We have used Anchor for writing the program of this application, Solana Web3.js for integrating the front end with contract, Wallet is Phantom Wallet, and React.js is used for front end. So this is a sneak peek into our app before showing the demo, so kind of a teaser. So regarding the future plans for this application, this current version is just a basic reputation app built for the hackathon, but we want to add extra features like we also want to fetch on-chain activities of the users using providers like QuickNote. We also will include upvoting and downvoting of profiles to give scores to users' profile. We'll also have profile referral for the users, and as I said that we wanted to build it for DAOs and bounty marketplaces so that they can interact with our contract, so making Solrepute interoperable, and other dApps can also use the on-chain reputation of a user. And lastly we also want to include Solver NFT for the reputation of the user. So let's start with the demo of the application. So this is the homepage of the application, where you can see a login form which has a GitHub ID field where we can enter a GitHub ID, and we can connect the Phantom wallet, and then on clicking on submit it will take you to the profile page where we fetch the data of the user. So let's enter my GitHub ID here, connect my Phantom wallet, and you can see this is my address, and on clicking on submit I'm taking to the profile page where we can see the off-chain data that I have, which is the data from GitHub, which is my GitHub ID, recent work, that is the repo that I worked on, and my total repositories. This is the on-chain data. For now we haven't fetched it as we needed paid providers from QuickNote. So let's start by initializing the program account for this application. So on clicking this, a transaction is initiated, and let it load, and then after approving, you can see that this button disappears and I get another button which is store on chain. So by clicking on store on chain, all my data of my profile will be stored on Solana blockchain, and then that can be used by various DAOs and other dApps to integrate with their application, and you can also get the shareable link to share a profile with other applications. So on clicking store on chain, again a transaction is initiated, and on approving it, my profile becomes verified, which means that my current data is already stored on chain. So when I click on get shareable link, I get a link which is copied to the clipboard, and then I can I can share this link with any of my friends or DAOs, and then we can see that if someone opens a profile, they can see that it is verified because it was stored on chain, and these are my datas. They can like or dislike. These features are currently not been functionality is not added to this, which is in our future goals, but we can like and dislike and give my profile some score. So that's it. That's how easily you can create your profile, store it on chain just with a click, and you don't have to see what's going on underneath, and your online reputation system is created. Thank you.